Okay, here we are at Baldardo Farm in Angus. This beautiful spring-like day, and the local farmers are all out doing their stuff, ploughing. Everything seems quite normal, except we've discovered a problem, and here it is. The ploughing's like a dog's piss in the snow. Oh my God! And who's responsible for this? Well, let's just see, shall we? Here we are. The guilty party. And whose tractor is this? Let's see. What does that sign say? Duncan Robertson. Duncan Robertson, the farmer Baldardo, is ploughing like a dog's piss in the snow. Aha! Oh Jesus, look at that. Okay. I wonder, is he just drunk or useless? Or perhaps both?